Hello mga boss! Sino dito ang naghahanap ng pampamilyang sasakyan? Eto, meron tayong 2019 Mitsubishi Expander GLS. The color is quartz pearl white. It's automatic transmission with around 34,000 kilometer mileage. So, napakababa na milyahe na yan. Push start and push stop with 1.5 gasoline engine. Sobrang tipid sa gas. Dual aircon na malamig dahil bagong karga lang din ng Freon with touchscreen monitor and reverse camera. So pag umaatras kayo, meron tayong camera sa likod. Makapal ang mga gulong with complete set of tools and spare tire. Very good running condition. Bagong change oil and registered until April of 2024. Garantisadong maganda yung unit at garantisadong malinis ang papeles nito. So this unit is available for auto financing with available options 1 and 2. Just refer to the post above kasama nitong video na to. So ano pang inaantay nyo? Mag-apply na tayo for an auto loan at para mauwi mo na itong 2019 Mitsubishi Expander 1.5 GLS Automatic. At dito lang yan kay Boss Guapo Cars.